And I'm going to show you how to import your Jira issues file as well as the configuration text file that comes with it. So I'm in a free account, so you do not need anything other than the free account. And I'm going to come up here to the corner since I'm signed in under settings, going to click on settings and then come here to system. Once I'm in system, I'm going to come over to my left menu and under import and export, I'm going to go to external system import. And once I'm here, I'm going to scroll down and click on CSV. And there's two files we're uploading here. So first we're going to upload the features file. I'm going to download, that would be this one. As you can see, I've run it a few times. And here it says upload a configuration file, optional. You're going to upload the config file. Config. Okay, so what'll happen is once we click next, there's some details we can add in here. We have to add in a project name. So for this one, what is this doing? I think it's just an audit. I'm going to put audit. I actually can't remember what this one was, but put audit. Sorry. I can't type today. I'm just going to call it Jira audit. You can see there's a key here. You can change that if you wanted to change the project type. Maybe you default to company managed. That doesn't matter. None of this here will impact the import process. So feel free. Okay, once we get here to map project fields, everything is already mapped for you, as you can see. If there's anything that you didn't put info into, if it didn't output any of this information, you could uncheck the button to not include it. Like say there's no assignee or reporter information filled out, you could just exclude that from the import. Okay, but you want to make sure what you don't exclude is the issue type because we're going to be mapping that next. So it's going to automatically find the issue types, define and map them to the Jira work types. So the epic, story, and subtask, you shouldn't have to fill any of this in. It's already done for you. Now, it's going to tell us there's no users because I don't have any users here, right? So there's no users in this CSV file. If you had users mapped in there under role or any other like custom fields you wanted to bring in, we would have done that in earlier when we mapped fields. Once we're here, we can see approximately what to expect. There's going to be 105 items from stories and subtasks. Excuse me. And everything here typically checks out. Since we unchecked 2 of the fields that were being imported, you can see it's 12 14. So it gives you the option to download a configuration file. You can do that if you added new fields, but you'd have to do that. You'd have to edit your CSV file every time. So while this is happening, this is the perfect time to tell you about avoiding this whole process altogether. So if you'd like to join the enterprise pilot, or if you'd like to join the beta program, which is not as robust as the enterprise program, but both of those do include a direct Jira integration so that once you click the create the Jira backlog button and the magic is happening, all of that will be imported into your Jira. So you can skip this, and when you go into Jira, your project will already be there. Okay. So we just have to wait a few more seconds, minutes, and see what we've got. All right. So everything seems to be loading now, and we'll see what we've got. All right. So first thing we'll do, it's still loading everything in, but I like to look at the list view because I'm going to see the epics. It's currently, now it's sorted properly. So as we go through with our epics, so we have our first epic, Drupal code base assessment and modernization. Right. So this is the um, Drupal 11 assessment and readiness project. So you can see it has its stories and all its subtasks, everything linked. If I go into this story, the story, um, just to show you, everything has populated. So we have as a Drupal architect, goes on from there. We have acceptance criteria. Oops, I didn't mean to click into there. Implementation details and testing steps. Okay, this should be numbered. My cleaning process might have taken that out, but you can see the tasks that are also related. Once I connect in the project anything like my CI/CD or my repos, any of the roles and persons in the project, those things can be populated. Um, just trying to think of anything else I wanted to show. I just wanted to show you how easy it was to import these. I do have these saved. I can share them with anyone that requests, I think, and it doesn't become against my users, even though I just have myself. But I'm more than happy to help if you'd like to reach out. Depending on how you've set up your project and what's gonna uh, be in progress, whether new starts into do, those kinds of things, excuse me, you take that into consideration as well. Have a great day, and I hope this works out for you.